Welcome to the Memorizing Tarot Cards podcast, your 3-minute lessons on learning and memorizing each card using symbolism. I use the Rider Waite Tarot, if you would like to view the card while you listen using your own tarot card deck or a computer. Today, we're exploring the Nine of Pentacles, focusing on reversals. First, let's start with the divine meaning of the card and then the meaning when reversed. The Nine of Pentacles upright represents self-sufficiency, independence, and the rewards of hard work. It's about enjoying the fruits of your labor and feeling confident in your abilities and achievements. The reversed Nine of Pentacles can indicate struggles such as self-worth, or just feeling unhappy with the material rewards for your effort. The reversed Nine of Pentacles suggests that, while you may have worked hard to achieve a certain level of success, you might not thoroughly enjoy or appreciate it. There may be feelings of inadequacy or concerns about whether you truly deserve the success or independence you've gained. Next, let's discuss ways to approach this card in a reading. When the Nine of Pentacles reversed appears in a reading, it's often a sign that it's time to reflect on your sense of self-worth. This card reminds you that it's time to look at your achievements with gratitude and pride. Take a moment to appreciate how far you have come and recognize the value of your accomplishments. It may also indicate mindset issues around your financial independence, and you can find yourself having material insecurity. Sometimes we tend not to lean into our success and may feel like we are not as independent as we'd like to be. We sometimes get caught up in the fact that we had help along the way and didn't honestly do it on our own. The Nine of Pentacles reversed recognizes these feelings and encourages you to see your success as earned and deserved. Remembering tarot cards helps when I can tie one of my personal experiences to the card. For example, my reverse Nine of Pentacles moment was winning a national award for being among Canada's top 50 sales representatives for the company I worked for. It was my first year in sales, and I will tell you how I won and why this was a Nine of Pentacles reversed moment. I won by paying attention to the request. When they laid out the sales contest, they clearly stated that you needed to sell a certain dollar amount in different products. Many of them were new products that the company wanted to grow. I ensured that I pitched all those products in every sales call to ensure that I made all the numbers. I was selling advertising in a Yellow Pages phone book to small businesses, and I was a brand new sales rep. When I won one of those 50 top spots, many seasoned sales reps outsold me by a landslide. They shared that they did not pitch those new products often, so they weren't eligible. My Nine of Pentacles reversed was feeling that I won on a technicality, not because I was good at my new job. The reality is that I won because I paid attention to what was asked for by my employer. I was deserving, but that doubt crept in when I saw how much revenue some of these other representatives brought in. Thank you for joining me in exploring the Nine of Pentacles reversed. This card reminds us to recognize our accomplishments and enjoy the rewards that come with them. Of course, to memorize Taro, keep practicing Taro. As you listen to these 3-minute lessons, you will consistently remember the symbolism that applies across different cards in the deck. Thank you for listening. Join us for more 3-minute lessons to memorize more cards.